In this video, I will show you how to make folders on your iPhone. Folders help keep your apps organized. This makes it easier to find what you need quickly. Instead of scrolling through many apps, you can group similar ones together. To get started, swipe through your home screens until you find the apps that you want to group together in a folder. Think about which apps are related or frequently used together. This will make it easier for you to access them later. Once you've identified the first app you want in your folder, tap and hold its icon until a menu appears. From this menu, select Edit Home Screen. Now you're in edit mode. In this mode, you can move any app anywhere on your home screen or even drag them onto other home screens. Next, take the first app icon that you want in your new folder and place it directly on top of another app that you'd like to include. Simply drag and drop it over the second app. And just like that, a new folder is created. You can repeat this step with any additional apps. Just tap and hold each app icon and drag them into the newly formed folder. If you'd like to rename your folder for better organization, simply tap on the folder itself. This will open up the contents within. Now tap on the X button next to the default folder name, and you'll have the option to delete that text. Type in whatever name suits your collection best. Feel free to create as many folders as needed. Once you've finished organizing everything, simply press Done at the top right corner or tap anywhere outside of the folders to exit edit mode. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.